getting started. It's 25 after 12. We've been fishing about 10-15 minutes. Had a knockdown on the center rod. Didn't get the hook. A little windier today than it was yesterday. Weather said it was supposed to be light and variable. Shoot, 10 to 15 out here right now. Hopefully it'll lay down. Anyway, stay tuned. A little striper.
Striper dapper.
Alright, broke the ice. And 30 minutes to break the ice. It could be. No. Just hold, stop reeling, stop reeling, stop reeling. Bring it up so I can get to the line. Just follow me with the pole.
Oh, you let it out, okay.
Got a little what there? No.
Woo!
A little turbo.
Take your time. Normally when they're hooked with them lures.
Good eater.
Yeah, good little eaters. Little striper.
Striper diaper. That's the damn size I like to eat right there. Ain't quite as strong.
Where you gonna get it?
Yeah, usually another one will bend over. You get in them like this, you just keep catching them.
Yeah. We're gonna get a wall hanger here in a minute. Good eaters, Ernest.
All right.
Oh,
That's a nice fish.
Right there. They're gonna turn on.
Whew. Better fish there, Ernest.
Yeah, I believe it is.
Come on in here, Sam.
He felt like it. He's jerking. He ain't happy about it.
No, it's not that big. It's a striper.
Striper dapper.
Just a little guy.
He'll eat one here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That rascal was barely hooked. The hook come out of him.
Joe did. Got him in just in time. While we doing this, I'm gonna step back and I'm gonna purify the water where you stirred it up.
Yeah, hell. Kevin
Yeah,
stirred
that's
it up.
right.
Kevin stirred it up. Now you gonna definitely stir it up.
You can if you want.
He's a runner.
Good one?
Yeah. We'll get a picture of that now.
And his wife made some cookies this morning for us, guys. Look at that. Hearts. Valentine's cookies. That's a nice one there, Sam.
Which way is the sun's right that way.
Okay.
What you want me to do?
Just hold it over the cooler right here. That slide.
Just don't worry about it. Get back here and get this fish. Now pull that one in. Reel that in. You want to pull that
Come
back
get
in.
this one, Ernest.
All right.
Just put it in that rod holder to your right. No, reel it in.
Where is it?
Reel it in.
Oh.
And put it in his rod holder until he gets it in.
Whoa!
Keep pulling him to the
I
left.
can tell that's a little better fish.
Put that rod down and pull him back to pull him to the left. Yeah, reel down on him. Pull him to the left. All right, there you go. Keep pulling him to the
Oh,
left.
God almighty, what a damn fish. Come on, man.
They starting to bite, Ernest. Oh, we got a tangle.
That's okay.
Bring it all the way in.
Now what did you good fish? Hold on a minute.
Did he eat two of
Or
them?
do you eat two of them?
No, that's just tangled.
Surprise. And they had the little sister. He said, when did she come around? He told me.
When did she come around?
Oh, good fish. Bring it this way, Ernest.
Get him right off the back.
This one needs to go under. Around. Under, I think. And then yours needs to come under.
Which will come under?
Just for fishing turn.
Wait a minute, sir.
Give me a little slack, right?
All right.
Just put it back in the hole. Oh, I'm sorry, kid.
You can shine that dim light.
Oh, that's a good one. Biggin?
Yeah.
Let's call this last fish, guys, because it's
Yeah, that's fine.
Valentine's Day. I got to take the wife out to dinner. That's a nice fish,
Well,
Ernest.
you need to talk to your wife. Our wife says forget about it.
What's that?
My wife told me, she says, don't bring me no flowers out here to school no more. I don't want any more. I said, nothing at all? She said, no. I said, well, good. I can spend that money on me. So that's back.
Cadillac.
That was back in the.
Get you a picture of that cooler, Ern, when you.
Okay, he took the hook with him, didn't he?
I broke it off.
Oh.
It was down in his throat.